Hello viewers, in this video we'll see costing for cinema theatres. Cinema is a medium of mass entertainment. The theatres or halls which show the movies have to recover their expenses and profit from the ticket sales. Cinemas is the medium for mass entertainment. It will entertain the mass people, and the theatres and hall wherever the movie is shown will recover their expenses out of the tickets, okay, and they have to make the profit out of the tickets sold, okay. And the cost unit, the usual cost adopted is man show. The cost unit here will be considered as man show. Cost per man show means the cost incurred to enable on patrons to see movie. If different classes of seats are provided, they can be expressed in terms of a common class. The cost include fixed and variable expenses. Okay, different classes of seats are also provided, and here the cost will include both fixed and variable cost. And normally the fixed cost will be in the form of depreciation of building, screen, seating, fixtures, projectors, etc., and the staff salary. Okay, this will be the normally fixed expenses, and variable cost includes the projection expenses, higher charges for films, entertainment tax on tickets sold. Okay, this will be the variable cost here, and any income from showing slides and rents from the stall, that is from popcorn stall and pub stall, ice cream stall, that will be deducted from the cost, okay. And total cost is divided with equivalent man show to ascertain cost per man show, okay. And the total cost will be divided with equal man shows, and the cost per man show will be ascertained. Profit can be added to arrive at the ticket price, and this cost plus profit will be added to the ticket price, okay. And multiplying such price with the weights for different classes provides the ticket price for each class of seating accommodation, okay. For different classes, different prices will be charged, no, the ticket price. So the weight will be assigned for that ticket price for each class, okay. The weights will be assigned for different classes, and the ticket varies for different classes, okay. For balcony, the ticket charge will be little bit higher compared to your first class and second class, and first class ticket will be comparatively higher than the second class ticket. Likewise, the different classes, different tickets charges will be ascertained, okay. And now we'll see the formula to calculate this man show. Man show is equal to number of seat into weightage into number of days into show per day into effective seat occupancy rate. Okay, here the number of seats, normally this will be given in the problem, and weightage according to the classes, that is for balcony, for first class and second class, the weights will be given, and based on this weight the ticket charges will be, okay. Okay, the number of days in a month or in a year, okay. And this is show per day, okay, number of shows projected per day, that is this show per day. And effective seat occupancy, okay, normally the theater will not be occupied 100%, okay. Something less than that the seat will be occupied, no. So that effective seat occupancy is also to be multiplied here, okay. Now we'll see one problem to calculate this man shows, okay. A cinema hall has three types of seating accommodation: balcony, first class and second class, with weights of 4, 2 and 1 respectively on the basis of their worth. For balcony it is 4, and for first class it is 2, and for second class it is 1, okay. That is the weight assigned for the different classes, okay. There were 200 seats in balcony, 300 seats in first class and 400 seats in second class, okay. In balcony 200 seats, 300 seats in first class and 400 seats in second class. The cinema hall runs daily 3 shows on all 30 days in a month, okay. The number of shows is 3 and number of days here is 30. The average occupancy of seat is 90%. Only 90% seats are occupied. Okay. Find out the number of man shows in month. Okay, we'll see how to work out this problem. First, I have written the formula, that is number of seats into weightage into number of days into shows per day into effective seat occupancy. Here the number of seats is different for different classes. Okay, for balcony it is 200 and for first class it is 300 and for second class it's 400. So we have to separately calculate for all the different 3 classes. Okay, first we'll calculate for this balcony. Yes, man shows in balcony is number of seats is 200 and the weight assigned is 4 and number of days it runs on all 30 days and number of shows also 3. Okay, and seat occupancy is also 90 for all the 3 classes. Okay, only the number of seats differs and the weightage. Okay, so if we multiply this, we'll get 64,800. Okay, and now we'll calculate the man shows in first class. Okay, the number of seats in the first class is 300 and weight is 2 and number of days is 30 here and number of shows is also 3, the same, and the seat occupancy is also 90% the same. Only the number of seats and weightage will vary. Okay, 300 into 2. Okay, if we multiply this, we'll get 48,600. Okay, and next we'll do it for second class. Second class, the seats are 400 and weight is 1. Okay, the other things remains the same. 30 days, 3 shows and 90% is the seat occupancy. Okay, yes. If we multiply this, we'll get 32,400. Okay, and now we have to add all this 3 things. Okay, balcony, first class and second class, we have to add it here. We'll get total number of man shows. That is 1,45,800 man shows in a month. Okay, I hope now you can able to calculate this total man shows, right? And this kind of problem will be asked in 5-mark question. Okay, and in our upcoming videos we'll see how to work out the detailed costing of cinema theaters. Okay, and I have given you a simple problem for you to practice. Just work out this problem and comment the answer. Thank you for your patient listening.